Hello guys, how you doing? Cristal again, Casa de Abuela. I'm here to show you a simple, easy meal just for the week. You know, when you're really busy and you're like, you know what, let me make something good, but you go to Costco and get yourself a rotisserie chicken, and then you just take our seasoning just as so. Let me show you real quick. You're just gonna go ahead and do this right here real quick. We are doing maybe a tablespoon, maybe less than maybe a quarter of a tablespoon. I always say season to taste because everybody has a preference on the salt. Remember, a little bit goes a long way, but in my family we like it a little extra, so I just went ahead and added a good pinch there. So that's the rotisserie chicken from Costco, and then I already made my own red salsa. The red salsa has the Casa de Abuela seasoning with it's guajillo chiles. They're the dried guajillo chiles, and what I do is I soak those in hot water, boiling hot water, for a few minutes, maybe 3 to 4 minutes, and then I add some the Casa de Abuela. Then I also add some onion and some garlic, and then I blend it in the blender, and then I go ahead and I clear out all the seeds so it's nice and clear red chile. And then I just shredded some yellow cheddar cheese here. So I like to shred the cheese. It gives it a better flavor versus when you use a bag. The bag has a little coating on it, so it does give a different flavor. If you do go that route, it's okay, no problem. You know, do it as you please. I'm not saying nothing's wrong, nothing's right. The tortillas were heated up before I start the process, so a little steamed, a little hot, just so they are pliable and you're able to roll them and add the chicken and the chile and the cheese. So what I'm going to do is I dip this warm tortilla into the chile as so twice, so you can make it nice and soaked. Remember, this is flavored, the chicken's flavored, your cheese is flavored, and so you're just going to put it all together. So you're going to put some chicken, some cheese, and then the tortilla, and as you do that, you roll, tuck, and leave in the pan. Now this pan is gonna go in the oven. I set the oven at 425, bake 425, and I just continue doing that. And the only thing you're gonna do really is everything's already cooked and warm, so the only thing you have to do is just melt the cheese in reality. And so you're gonna just put the chicken, the cheese, and you roll. As a somebody that's trying to save money, or that's trying to make a meal that you've never done before, but you want to start making something at home, because nowadays, you go to the restaurant, you go get some enchiladas at a restaurant, you're paying a lot of money when you could just go get yourself a rotisserie chicken. What is it, $4.97? Then you got a big chunk of cheese that you could buy for maybe $14.99 at the most. Shred it yourself, and there you go. And then the tortillas are what, like $2-3 for a pack of tortillas. Guys, do the math there and you'll see, is it worth going to the restaurant right now, or is it worth just getting a little seasoning bag that will last you for many meals? And this is just one of the beautiful meals that you can make with Casa de Abuela. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue, and we're gonna add that cheese on top. Remember I told you guys, cheese on top. Okay, so you get yourself a spoon or something, and then we're gonna put the rest of the chile on top. You got it ready. Now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna move some stuff out of the way real quick, and we're gonna cover this with aluminum foil, so when you put it in the oven, it doesn't dry out. You want to keep the moisture, you want to keep the salsa, so you take a little bit of aluminum foil and you just cover it as so. You want to cover it nicely, like I said, so it doesn't dry out, and you're melting the cheese. So that's that. I'm gonna open the oven now. The oven's ready at 425, and we are gonna set this inside. So you will leave that for a good 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're good to go to serve. So we'll see you in a little bit and show you our plating. Hi guys, this is Crystal with Casa De Abuela. As you guys know, we are available at casadeabuela.com, and I just wanted to show you guys that you guys can get yourselves a bag of our seasoning, and it is available as we speak. But I do want to urge you guys to get our limited quantity of our sellers. These sellers are our originals. We burned the lid ourselves, and so you guys know these are handmade by us. You get also a QR code. This is the white one with the spoon, and we are limited edition, limited quantity on these now. As I'm speaking to you right now, we only have a few available. Once they sell out, we will no longer have this limited edition style. We will be coming out with the new one, and stay tuned because you will see those new ones and you will fall in love as much as you love these guys. Hey guys, timer went off. Let's do this. We're gonna get this enchiladas on the road. Voila, look at that beautiful enchiladas. Nice and cheesy and saucy. Are we ready to plate? So we're gonna start with the ones right here on the side. Look at that. Beautiful. Set them on your plate. Now you could have some, arroz, frijoles with this, whatever you want. But right now, like I said, it's a quick, easy, simple meal. So we're just gonna do the enchiladas. And let me present to you our toppings. We got some lettuce. If you have crema, put some crema on there. If you have anything else that you like on your enchiladas, it's okay. I put lettuce, tomato, like I said, simple, easy. I'm in a hurry because my husband's about to get home and he is hungry. Now, we like to top it off just a little bit, just a little tiny bit with Casa de Abuela for those little tomatoes to have a little flavor. Now, if you want more sauce, I had saved some of my red sauce. So what we can do is we can add a little more red sauce for the husband because he likes it nice and saucy. So we can add the tomato sauce, chile sauce. Oh, my mouth is watering, guys. There you go. And there's your enchiladas with Costco rotisserie chicken. And remember, we are available at casadeabuela.com. Get yourself a bag and go make your husband, brother, cousin, sister, kids happy with a beautiful meal like some enchiladas. Thank you.